Do you ever wish you knew the insider secrets of frequent flyers? Like how to avoid surprise fees, what to pack for any country, or how to handle travel disasters with confidence? Well, today I'm introducing the travel secrets from the other side of the boarding gate bundle. Yes, you heard it right. Your complete travel survival kit. This is all you're going to need for your next trip. Trust me. This bundle combines my senior travel kit, which includes 5 videos, one audio guide, a comprehensive checklist, and travel planner with 55 travel disasters survival guide, a collection of real stories and solutions that prepare you for everything from lost luggage to last minute visa issues. Let me tell you, a friend of mine nearly missed her flight because she didn't know about the new carry on restrictions in Italy. With the boarding gate guide that I have in my bundle, that never would have happened to her. Inside this bundle, you learn how to prepare for strict dress codes in certain countries, the best way to pack for multi climate trips, exactly what to do if you lose your passport or your flight is canceled at the last minute. Yes, plus 50 more real world scenarios with step by step solutions to all of that. Here is why it's valuable, and you should not travel without this bundle. This isn't another generic travel guide, it's a collection of first hand experiences and practical tips from seasoned travelers like myself, and it's all organized in one place. Whether you're a senior or a young adventurer, you'll be able to now travel with confidence. Are you ready to become an insider? Well, click the link in this video's description to get the Travel Secrets bundle now. You'll get immediate access to it because it's downloadable. The checklist and ebooks, videos, and everything. And you'll get lifetime updates. Don't let unexpected problems ruin your next trip. Travel smart, travel prepared, and I know you owe it to yourself. And guess what? I got you. I do. Safe travels.